Let's check this. We don't want it to be too hard. What's up, my people? Welcome and welcome back to our channel, Mo and Mpaim World. It's your girl Mpaim here, and kama kawaida, I have another amazing recipe just for you guys. Yeah, as you can see, I have a chicken here. I want to cook a wet fry kienyeji chicken. Yeah, as you can see, this was a kienyeji chicken, a jogo, a cock, and I've just slaughtered it. Now we want to remove the remaining hairs after removing the feathers, so that we can remove the insides and start cooking. Yeah, so if you're watching this video and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, comment, just leave a sweet comment, and I will truly appreciate. So like this video and comment, and also share it with your friends and friends of friends. As for our returning subscribers, thank you so much for your love and your support. Yeah, we can't thank you much. You are truly amazing, and your love is so overwhelming. Your support is amazing. Yeah, your love is so amazing. Your support, and yeah, so guys, just stay and watch this video to the end. I'm trying to warm it so that I get easy time removing the feathers and other things. It has warmed enough. As you can see, it was starting burning, so we can start removing. Ouch! It's so hot. We can start dissecting. My knife, I think it has become blunt. It's not cutting really well. I need to sharpen it once again. Kujikata. Now we want to wash it so that we can start cooking. This is the sufuria. going to use. Washing the meat, the chicken meat. I want to rinse it. Then let me place it on the I'm adding some salt so that you can boil with it. It usually becomes so tasty when you boil it with the salt. So let's cover it. Then we'll add some water when it has started to boil. Wanted it to, so we'll add some water and let it boil for a while. It looks so ready to be eaten, but not yet. That's not how our recipe is instructing us to do. So let it boil for a while and see you in like 5 minutes. So guys, let's get to the next process. As you can see, we have our onions here ready, our tomatoes ready, and other spices are also ready. So our chicken has already boiled. Let me drain the soup. Oh. And let it dry. And on this other jiko, as you can see, we have our wok pan. We can add our cooking oil. As we are waiting for the oil to heat, let's start preparing our ingredients. And I'm starting with the onion. So here is our onion. We want to cook it the most kienyeji way, without so many ingredients. Here are the tomatoes, 3 huge tomatoes, and I have a ginger. I'm just using a piece, just a little piece. Oh, it's drizzling, so we'll hammer here. I think we'll move places. Let's move to the shade. So guys, our oil has heated up. We want to deep fry this. I tried it so that it doesn't. fry that one. Let it cook so that we move to the next step. Let's wait. Here, I want to slice the onion and other ingredients the kienyeji way. You see? We don't have a chopping board. The village way. No chopping board. Just chopping onions using your own hands. Let's turn. It's harassing me. So it's almost ready that side. Let's check this. We don't want it to be too hard. You know, if you fry it for a long time, it will be very hard. So this is the first round. Let's take this aside. Let me stand so that I can move. This one looks like this. Now we are back here. We have our ginger. Let's grate it. Just a small piece. The garlic. Fair away my ear, please. Yeah. So let me put this aside. Let's get back to the tomatoes. Challenges here and there. So here are our tomatoes. We'll put them aside. We are turning the deep fried chicken, kienyeji. So here it is. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing to you, now we want to start frying the onions. We have just reused the oil. Hope that's enough. If not, we will add it was not yet hot, but anyway, let's wait for it. How our onions have turned translucent. At this juncture, we are adding in our ginger garlic mixture and let it cook together with the onions. The smell, the aroma. Time to add in our tomatoes. So, it is also at this point that we are adding our salt. Remember that we had added salt to the chicken. We just go slow on this. We will add after tasting if it's okay or not, because we are also using this Royco cube. I don't want it to taste so spicy with so many spices, since it's a kienyeji chicken. That one is just enough. So let our tomatoes cook. We shall come back. Not yet ready. The tomatoes are not yet fully cooked. Remember our broth, we shall add just a little bit, since we are not cooking chicken stew, it's just wet fry, but we don't want it as thick as it was. So let me test the salt. There is a feather here. A feather, I don't want it to get in. And iko kimbele mbele. cook, then I think it's ready. I shall not cook all of it, just a few pieces. So we will cover it and let it cook for a minute. Let's check. Yeah, our wet fried chicken is ready. So let's add some pili. You see? Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching this video to the end. I truly appreciate your love and your support. Yeah, so don't tire to support us and love us, because we are your product and we are so proud of you and we truly appreciate it. For those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, comment, and also share it with your friends and friends of friends. So we're gonna serve this, our chicken wet fry, with ugali. We want to prepare ugali. You can see it looks so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.